Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Terumot, Perek Vav Mishnah Bet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss the wife of a Kohen, right? So the wife of a Kohen, when she gets married, she's allowed to eat Terumah. Before that, she's not allowed to eat Terumah, right? Yisrael, right? The daughter of Yisrael is not allowed to eat Terumah. Once she gets married to a Kohen, she's allowed to go ahead and eat Terumah. Right, the laws that actually all fleshed out in the Pesukim. If you open Sefer Vayikra, also you'll see all these laws over there. Even if let's say the husband passes away, right, and the woman doesn't have any kids, right, then she goes back to her father's status. If she was Israel, then Bat Yisrael, then she's no longer allowed to eat Terumah anymore. Let's say it was the opposite. Let's say it was the daughter of a Kohen that married Israel, right? She's no longer allowed to eat Terumah. If the husband dies and they didn't have kids, then she goes back to her father's status, the daughter of a Kohen, and she's allowed to go and eat Terumah. So all these laws are flushed out over here. Now, our Mishnah is going to speak about a daughter of Yisrael that ate Terumah, and then she got married to a Kohen. So Bat Yisrael shachla Terumah, right? She's not allowed to eat Terumah. She ate it by mistake. She didn't know what it was. And afterwards, how can you say that Kohen? Afterwards, she got married to a Kohen, and now she's allowed to eat Terumah. So, im terumah shelo zacha ba kohen, if it's terumah that didn't belong to any specific kohen yet, right? It was designated terumah that she ate by mistake. And achala, that's what she ate. Mishalemet kerem hachomesh le'atzma. Okay, now she needs to pay back the principal and a fifth. But now she's a kohen, right? She's a kohenet herself now, so she could pay it back to herself, right? When she ate it, she wasn't allowed. She was a Bat Yisrael, right? Now she got married to a kohen. Right, so now she's allowed to eat terumah. She still needs to pay back the penalty, so she pays the principal and the fifth, and she pays it all to herself. Let's say it's terumah that it belonged to someone, right? This was mixed dwex terumah, right? Okay, she ate that, then she needs to pay back to him. We need to pay back the principal to the rightful owners because that was theirs. And the fifth, right? The fifth is a fine, right? The Torah really, says they need to pay, right? She needs to pay, so she's allowed to pay that to herself. She doesn't have to give that to the specific Kohen. Right? Because they said anyone that eats terumah by mistake, he pays the principal to the owners and the chomesh, the fifth, to whoever he wants. And as the Rambam says, Kol ha'inyan pashut ve'eno tzarich perush. All this is obvious and does not need an explanation.